Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer money from Cash App to bank account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Cash App, and once you open it, you need to now simply tap on the cash out option. Once you have tapped on the cash out option, which is right besides the add cash, you will now have to select an amount you want to send. So once you have selected the amount as well, you need to now simply choose a standard banking or instant deposit. After you have selected this option, you need to confirm the bank to which you want to send the money. You can already select the linked bank, or you can even type in the details of a new bank to which you want to send money from Cash App to that particular bank account. Once you have selected this, you need to now choose the transfer method. Standard deposit is free but takes a couple of days, or instant deposit takes a smaller amount and the method will be a bit faster. Once you have confirmed this, you will be able to transfer the money from Cash App to your bank account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.